Headaches are a typical type of pain and can be an aggravation when somebody has one. Instead of going for over-the-counter painkillers, there are numerous natural remedies for headaches which individuals can use to assist them with disposing of a cerebral pain or the headache. We are looking at different range of natural remedies to get rid of headaches or cerebral pains. Individuals can attempt the use of these natural remedies immediately, and some of them may assist with preventing headaches or cerebral pain. There are various natural and homemade remedies that people can use to get rid of a headache without using orthodox medication. Some of these may work better with different types of headache. Types of headache. There are a various of types headache, and one regular cure might be more appropriate than another to facilitate a kind. Some basic headache types include tension headache. The most widely recognized headache, these frequently happen after an individual has become overstressed and their muscles have strained. Pain shows up in the center and top of the head, which may feel as though it has a tight elastic band around it. Sinus headache. This sort includes pains behind the eyes and nose and a general blocked inclination in the head. A comparative headache happens when an individual has a hangover. Cluster headache. These migraines may show up throughout the day, causing a cutting, sharp pain that happens in one spot of the head. Migraine. Headaches as a rule cause a throbbing agony behind the eyes that develops and beats all through the head. The individual may likewise turn out to be sensitive to light, action, or development. It is essential not to disregard a persistent headache. An ongoing symptom might be an indication of a hidden issue. Individuals might need to talk about a persistent or particularly severe headache along with other symptoms with a specialist to discover and resolve an issue. Here are some natural remedies for headache. Water. Drinking enough water may help forestall and reduce headache and cerebral pains or decrease their seriousness. Lack of hydration can be a basic reason for some basic headache and cerebral pains. It might likewise change how an individual feels, acts, or thinks. As an examination in the diary antioxidants notes, even slight drying out may change how individuals think and capacity, exacerbating them feel, with or without a headache. Water may help cause somebody in this circumstance to feel better. A basic perusing of one examination distributed in the Journal of Evaluation in Clinical Practice noticed that drinking water didn't decrease to what extent individuals had their headache and cerebral pains, however it improved. Remaining hydrated might be as straightforward as carrying a bottle of water around and tasting on it for the duration of the day. Eating nourishments high in fluid, for example, organic products, smoothies, or soups, may likewise improve hydration. Ginger herbal tea. Home-grown tea might be a valuable method to reducing headache. For example, ginger tea may help with a headache. Ginger powder had comparative impacts to a typical prescription for diminishing headaches. A straightforward tea of warm water and ginger powder may help with side effects. Other possibly quieting teas includes herbs, like peppermint, chamomile, and lavender. Caffeine. Drinking of beverage with caffeine, for example, espresso, coffee, tea, or pop soda, may assist ease off a headache. Some painkiller drugs made for headache includes caffeine. This may improve their viability. A Journal of Headache and Pain affirm that caffeine without anyone else may help diminish indications of a headache or migraine. Caffeine will in general loosen up the veins, which may support circulation of blood. Vitamin E. This might be significant for ladies who experience headaches during their menstrual cycle, as vitamin E may help keep their hormones balanced to prevent symptoms manifestations. Examples of food high in vitamin E are wheat germ oil, sunflower seed, almond, hazelnut oil, sunflower oil, and almond oil. Cold pack. Having a cold pack might be an easy way to reduce or get rid of headache. Applying an ice pack or another chilly thing to the head or neck may help contract the veins and diminish aggravation in the zone. Doing so could briefly soothe the headache and cerebral pain torment. By applying ice packs to the neck for 30 minutes essentially diminished agony in individuals with headaches. Vitamin B. Some foods contain vitamin B which help either prevent or reduce headache. For example, foods like salmon, leafy green, egg, milk, legumes, beef, chicken, yogurt, cereal, pork, sunflower seed. Exercise. Exercise may help keep the body solid and advance better dissemination, which may diminish the odds of a headache appearing. 2018 survey of research distributed in the diary Children noticed that too little exercise may really impact headache among teenagers. Normal, moderate exercise may help, for example, energetically strolling or riding a bicycle for 30 minutes every day. Warm pack. In some cases, for example, with a strain headache where the muscles are excessively tight, a warm pack may help loosen up these muscles and bring alleviation. A warm pack could be as basic as a warm towel. Individuals might have the option to get a similar impact from a lukewarm shower or shower. Rest. Various issues may prompt headache, and rest issues are among the more common ones. Getting excessive or too little rest or not adequate sleep may influence a headache in certain individuals, as they have not completely rested their body. Grown-ups should attempt to get between 7 and 9 hours of rest every night. Relaxing strategies. Relaxation methods and training may assist numerous individuals with their migraine symptoms while additionally diminishing pressure and nervousness. Unwinding methods includes practices, for example, profound deep belly breathing, guided contemplations and meditation, and effectively concentrating on loosening up the muscles. Check the type of meals. Sometimes the type of food we eat might be the reason for the headache. If you observe that you have a headache after a meal, it might be useful for individuals to keep a diary of all that they eat every day. This may empower them to recognize and maintain a strategic distance from any nourishments that could trigger a headache. Magnesium. A 2015 survey published in the journal Nutrients suggests that individuals who regularly experience migraine or headaches might have low magnesium levels. Adding magnesium to the eating routine, as an enhancement, may help either prevent or reduce headache. Essential oils. The use of essential oils may calm headache symptom. Fragrance-based treatment that utilizes some essential oils may likewise alleviate indications of a migraine. The 2018 review in children confirmed that breathing in lavender essential oil for 15 minutes decreased the seriousness of headache. Peppermint oil is also effective at lessening pressure of headaches. The sense of essential oils may trouble a few people, but trying different things with various oils that people discover relaxing might be an approach to ease headache side effects. Cut off liquor consumption. A few people may not react well to drinking an excessive amount of liquor. A headache is one of the more typical symptoms of a headache. This might be on the grounds that liquor goes about as a diuretic, making the body discharge more water by means of the pee. These sorts of migraines don't just happen with episodes of substantial drinking. Indeed, even with light or moderate drinking, liquor may prompt mellow lack of hydration side effects in certain individuals or exacerbate migraines. Any individual who is questionable if liquor influences them along these lines could take a stab at restricting their drinking and checking whether it changes or forestalls their manifestations. Removal of weight on the head. There is a physical explanation behind a headache. Check for whatever is squeezing the head. This might be a pigtail or bun that is too tight, or a cap or headband that has been on excessively for a long period. High light radiation. A few people get headache because of high radiation from light. Office lights or even the brilliant light from a cell phone may aggravate side effects. It might be better to relax in a dim or faintly lit room while recouping from a headache. Needle therapy. Needle therapy is a piece of customary Chinese medication, where experts place little needles into the surface of the skin. The aim isn't to cause pain, however, to stimulate the body's own vitality. The needle therapy is an effective way to forestall headaches and migraines or lessen their recurrence. Rubbing pressure points. Rubbing certain pressure points may help alleviate pressure in the head and diminish a headache. Numerous individuals do this naturally, for example, scouring the rear of the neck or squeezing the highest point of the nose when they feel focused. There might be some reality to these impulses. Numerous individuals find that rubbing the sanctuaries, jaw, or neck may help calm pressure and lessen a strain migraine that originates from being excessively stressed. Some different parts of the body to massage includes parts between the eyebrows and the two spots at the base of the eyebrows on either side of the scaffold of the nose. These spots may hold strain from the eyes or head, and rubbing them could help mitigate this pressure. Massaging the neck close to the base of the skull may likewise help discharge pressure. Stay away from contact with synthetic substances or other solid scents. For individuals who frequently experience headaches, staying away from solid scents might be a savvy venture to take when attempting to forestall them. In 2013, investigation found that scents from sources, for example, aromas or other solid-smelling synthetic concoctions, may trigger headaches after only a couple of moments of presentation. It would be ideal if individuals maintain a strategic distance from wellsprings of these scents, for example, retail chains, other people who wear a ton of aroma, or compound scents from cleaning items.